The first time I ever saw one of these was at the El Paso Crystal and Gem Mineral Show. Gosh, I don't know, 20-ish years ago. And back then, it was more like a glorified swap meet. And I went a couple times and I did get these. I have some much larger ones, but this one is on my dresser, and it really just wanted to be with me in the garden this morning. We've had a heat wave here in the Southwest Desert for about 2 weeks, and we've gotten rain last night. What does that matter? Well, instead of walking, which would have been a palm stone or a smaller crystal point to bring with me, I decided to work in the garden. I've been at it for about an hour and a half. Time to stop and share this guy with you. What is it? It's a desert rose. This is a natural formation, and sometimes the little pieces come off, which is why I wouldn't take this guy or its bigger brothers and sisters on a walk with me. It is a cousin. It is a form of selenite, which is really interesting, and they come in great big clusters and clumps, which make it really fun. I got white sticky stuff on my finger. So when I have my altar set up, I have a few of these smaller ones kind of around a Kuan Yin figure or an angel, mostly a Kuan Yin, and it just helps to keep the energy vibrant, that's a good right, vibrating, yes, and also vibrant. And we've got a plane overhead. Okay, so wait just a second. Well, it turns out it was a helicopter. We are literally right up against the border with Mexico, and the Rio Grande in our area is not so big. It was very disappointing when I moved here to El Paso, Texas, the week before Thanksgiving in 1997. So back to this. January of 26, this current calendar year, my friend and I, we did go to the El Paso Crystal and Gem Show. I was pleasantly surprised, actually very surprised and excited, because it was all different. It is all, it's beads and crystals, minerals, stones from different places. Folks from Mexico across the border from Juarez come, and people from other areas like Colorado and wherever. I don't remember all of them, honestly. It was just so amazing. And I just wanted to share a little bit about this guy with you, y'all, today. Isn't he so cute? Definitely not something you would hold on a walk, but look how beautiful it is. All right, have an amazing day, beautiful soul. Do come check out the Crystal Boutique. The link is below.